And I am. Name your 3 favourite films.
Avengers: End of the Game. And Perfume and a movie that. Guys,
Okay, I'm sorry.
A movie what we are living right now. Damn.
In a movie.
Boom!
We'll start with Kian. Name 3 things you did when you got up this morning.
Wear contact lenses and drink some fresh water and take the shower with cold water.
Cold?
Yeah, cold
Not
water.
cold. Why?
Just
Fresh, refreshing?
yeah, refreshing. Just very refreshing.
I am. Name 3 of your favourite countries you visited.
와.
잘해야
돼.
Earth, universe, Mars. Okay, I love every country.
Mars?
Yeah.
You've been to Mars?
Yeah.
Mars?
Wano. 3 things you love about Monsta X. 3 best things.
몬스타 X에서 생활하면서 3가지 제일 좋아하는
좋아하는 거?
마음에
싫은 거
드는-
말고?
마음에 드는
아, 좋은 점.
일단 든든한 6명의 형제들이 생겨서 좋고요.
The fact that he has 6 brothers.
그리고 이 6명의 멤버들한테 사랑받아서 너무 좋고요.
The fact that he achieved lots of love by 6 brothers.
그리고 5천만 몸베베가 곁에 있어줘서 행복합니다.
A whole lot of mombabies.
5천만.
5천만?
5천만?
5 million.
50 million.
50 million.
Shonu. 3 of your favourite items of clothing.
Pardon?
좋아하는
좋아하는 옷 중에 아이템.
3개 제일 좋아하는
I like
맨날 해.
half pants and yeah, half pants.
반바지.
핫팬츠.
I like t-shirts and
Watch.
I like watch. Jacket. Jacket.
I like chain. Your yes.
Yeah, I love it too.
Too expensive.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, expensive.
Louis Vuitton.
Juhani.
Yes.
3 of your favourite Monsta X songs to perform on stage.
Oh, wow. First of all, our debut song, Trespass. And then second one is Drama Rama. The third one is Shootout.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Good with your vibrate dance. I can't do it.
He's vibrate this.
And Minye.
Yeah.
3 things you would do on your day off.
Watching animation and then delivery food, ice cream, and then
Shopping.
yeah, eye shopping.
And I am. Name your 3 favourite films.
Avengers: End of the Game. And Perfume.
Perfume?
And a movie that. Guys,
Okay, I'm sorry.
A movie what we are living right now. Damn.
In a movie.
Boom! 갑자기 헛소리 많이 하네.
Shonu, 'cause you're a good cook, I'll ask you. 3 things that you know how to cook really well.
Okay. First one, egg fry,
Egg fries.
and then
Scramble.
second-
Scrambled egg.
No, sunny sides up.
Sorry.
And then second one is ramen, noodle, and third one is fried rice.
Fried rice.
I like your Om Nyom 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 show. I watch it. Yeah, it's good.
와, 진짜
Thank you.
진짜 팬이다.
Wano. Your 3 favourite Monsta X songs to perform on stage.
아까 주원이랑 약간 비슷한데.
똑같은 거.
똑같은 질문.
오케이. 드라마라마. 파스트.
퍼즐.
퍼즐. Japanese original. Yes.
Oh, puzzle.
Yeah, puzzle.
okay.
puzzle.
Oh, you know that.
And Rush.
Russia's good. Russia's good. Juhani, what are 3 things you do with a day off?
Day off? Just playing my cats. And then playing music. Playing with Monsta X.
Yeah.
메이 송.
Make song.
Are you making songs now? Or
Yeah, in the hotel room.
are you? Can you tell me anything about the song? Is it rap song, love song?
That is secret.
Good.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
And Minhyuk, what are 3 things you like about being in Monsta X?
뭐야?
그 몬스타엑스에 있으면서 좋은 거 3가지.
싫은 거 세 가지 한번 해볼래?
없어?
너무 많아. 오케이. 좋은 거. First one is I got my cute brother. Yeah, and strong brother. And
Kind of strong.
Huh?
What kind of strong?
mental
Mental?
and body. And last one is
넓은 집.
yeah, 넓은 집.
Large house.
Large house,
yeah. A large
I agree.
dorm, yeah.
Who is most mentally strong?
I think Juhan.
Why Juhan? Why? Can you say why?
I like him.
Congrats.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.